Hi guys, welcome to JNN News today. My name is Bridget, and in today's good news I want to encourage you to always feed your spirit man. It is very important that you feed your spirit man. The way you feed your flesh, the way you eat, so that your flesh will be active, you will be strong, so that it will be able to fight any virus disease that comes your way. That is how you need to feed your spirit man, because when you don't feed your spirit man, it goes quiet, unlike our flesh that when you don't feed it, it shout, it makes not I'm hungry, it makes you begin to feel fainty and all of that. The spirit man will do the exact opposite. The spirit man goes quiet, it goes still and be looking at you. It won't do anything. So you need to feed it so that it can be able to fight. It can be able to defend you when you need it. You need to feed it with the word of God, with prayers. I don't understand how Christians go a day without studying the Bible. How do you cope? How do you even hear from God? How? In this age and time, what we need is the word of God. It's our guide, our manual. So you need to read the word of God. I just want to encourage you. Try, even if it's one verse a day, pick it up and read it. And then when you read it, meditate on it. You see that it will help your spirit man to be active and to be able to defend you when you need it. Hope this video has blessed you. If it has, kindly like and share, and also follow us. Stay lifted, and see you in our next video. God bless you.